Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Mini Cooper Countryman. This one's silver. Under the hood's a 1.4 turbo 4-cylinder, pushing out 181 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 17-inch blacked out wheels. For our interior, we've got black leather interior, panorama sunroof, coming around back. Said clean all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Hopping in up front here, we've got our steering wheel controls. Push start ignition. We've got our speedometer in the center here, our radio, CD player, climate control, heated seats, power windows, automatic transmission, USB and auxiliary port. This vehicle has 103,603 miles. Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mini Cooper, check out feldmanimports.com.